We're live, people. We lost connection just for a little bit, but we're running away from the storm. We're right on Fillmore Street right as we speak, and we are currently being chased by the storm.
The hunter becomes the hunted.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, we're getting chased hard. We just missed a huge lightning bolt just off to our west, but we're facing the opposite direction. We really don't want to get hit by the storm because of how dangerous the wind and the rain are, so. Yeah, here we go, we're getting hit. Come on, turn green here. But yeah, we're getting hit by some really heavy, the rain is just starting to hit our area. We're running right now, we're heading east. I'm trying to see if I can head south so we can head to our next storm. Yeah, one huge bolt just off to our east. Yeah, I don't know, I think we should, you can see the rain curtain. Oh boy, this is bad. We're getting wind. All right, we're gonna take it right here. Hopefully we don't hit the storm, but I think we are. No, we can't turn right there. I'm stupid. Dummy. Still dry in Jenison. Yeah, it's heading right to Jenison. I'm just outside of Jenison, Michigan right now. Yeah, we're barely staying ahead of the system. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, frequent lightning, heavy downpours, and penny-sized hail are possible with this storm. And it's plowing its way through Ottawa County. I'm gonna take a right where he's at. We're gonna start heading south, and Sean, you probably can start getting some really good videos. Start pointing off to the west. Hopefully we can beat the storm, so. Oh boy, yeah, it's already hitting us. Boy, the winds are really intense here. Oh boy. Wind is definitely starting to pick up. Very heavy wind gusts just outside of Jenison, Michigan. Not too far away from my house. Here we go. Yeah. Was that a bolt? I think so. You got it? Okay. Was it just outside your window, or?
Yeah, it was just like over there.
Yeah, I think everyone in Ottawa County is getting bad storms right now. I think everyone's gonna get hard by this storm. There's gonna be tree damage. I bet there's gonna be tree damage and all kinds of stuff. I'm already seeing leaves and sticks getting blown onto the road as we speak. Wow, look at that. Alright, I'll view the request. God, this is so hard. Come on. Shoot, we can't turn on this road. Darn it. Hey, Leah.
Hi.
Where are you at?
I'm at my house.
Okay, is that in Hudsonville, or?
Yeah, right on the border of Hudsonville and Allendale. I'm trying. Can you see it? I don't know.
All right. Are you inside, or are you outside, or?
I'm inside. I'm looking at my window.
All right. Oh.
Oh, oops. I'm really bad at this. Okay, let me try
Is
that.
it pretty bad, or have you seen any bolts yet?
Yeah,
or?
there we go. Yeah, there's lots of lightning. I don't know if you can see it, but
All right.
kind of have a crappy phone. There's bolts, right, Anna? Do you see bolts? Oh,
Is it
that was a
off
good one.
to the south, west, or north? Or,
Still to the southwest, I would say. No,
all right.
no, just west, straight west.
All right, cool.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that was a bright one.
Yeah, right now we're on Baldwin, so.
Oh, that's right by my house.
Actually,
Yeah, I live on Bower.
nice.
Oh yeah.
All right. Sean, I would say start videoing out from the north. Get some better storms there.
Mm.
Um, yeah, if anyone else is in Jennison's still dry. You guys are gonna get hit by some really heavy storms. Hudsonville's it's already gotten hit. Zealand. Have you guys seen any tree branches down or anything like that yet, or no?
None that I can see right now. It's pretty dark, and I can only see for a second when there's lightning, but I don't see any branches down over here. How do you think the drive would be from here to Granville right now?
It's pretty treacherous. I mean, it's raining super hard. I cannot see the road.
Ooh.
I'm going about like 45. I mean, it's not impossible, but
Okay.
if you understand what I mean. So.
Yeah, I do. I see what you're saying.
All right. Yeah,
All right.
All right.
Have a good rest of your night. Drive safe. Don't crash.
Yeah, I won't.
Bye-bye.
All right. See ya. I cannot see anything. Man. Very intense rainfall. Sheesh. I cannot see it. What the world? I can't see the freaking car. It's on max, dude. The car was shaking. Chicago Drive. All right. Really? Wow. Keep up the updates, guys. I need to know what's happening. Yeah, I cannot see anything. Wow, look at this. Very intense rainfall. Yep, Allegan County just got in a severe thunderstorm warning. I cannot see anything. We'll have to check tree damage or anything like that because the winds are pretty intense. Everyone's going like 40 right now. Look at that. Yeah, I cannot see. Very intense rainfall. I'm telling you guys, I can't. We're going 30. That's how intense the wind and rain is right now. I did not want to get caught in a storm because now we're not going to get good lighting footage or anything like that. We're just, God, this is crazy. Have you gotten any bolts yet, Sean, or no? Yeah. What the world? This is one of the most intense rainstorms I've been in a long time. Yeah. All right. We're right in Hudsonville and Jenison. I don't even know which road we're on because I don't even know what road I'm on. It's crazy. But yes, we lost connection on the first live feed. We hit a really hard spot of no connection. So I had to quickly end it, otherwise I'd lose it. So, yeah, I cannot see. This is bad. I mean, it's dark out, but look at the wind. Oh. You see that, right? Yeah. I bet there's going to be widespread tree damage and power outages over here that we might have to check out if we have time. But yeah, let me know, guys, how long will it last? It's going to last for a while. I'm thinking like 30, 40 minutes. It's going to be a really long show. I mean, the storm is moving pretty fast. So, yeah. How many people? 11. But yeah, it's going to last for a while. And we're going to get, this isn't the only storm. We're going to get hit by more storms later on during the night. I don't know how long I'll be chasing. I mean, I don't want to chase rain. Rain's not fun. It's just a pain. trying to get some lightning, but we're in the middle of nowhere in a storm, and I cannot get out of it. It's kind of being a pain. So I don't know how long we'll keep this up. But this storm is becoming more of like a heavy downpour storm instead of a lightning storm. And right where we were in Coopersville, they got the worst of the winds, so we just made a mistake heading south. But yeah, this is gonna be a long time, guys. I would say stay inside for a little while. I mean, most of you guys can probably drive in this, but if you want to hear my advice, I would say stay inside for a while. We're gonna have some really heavy, we're gonna have some flooding, I think, in my opinion.
Yeah, it's already, both sides of the road are already flooding.
They all flooded? Alright. Gee, I don't know how long I want to do this. There's not a lot of lightning. I mean, we're seeing a lot of flashes, but if you guys are wondering, we're actually right in the same intersection we started our live feed. Port, Sheldon, and what was this? I can't remember. It's right by Heritage Christian School. Yeah, I bet the roads are flooded. It's so bad out here. Drains are overflowing already. It's getting bad. We're not even moving, and my windshield wipers are in full gear, so power flickered for a second. I bet. Winds are up to 70 miles per hour in Kent County. We're too far south. We're going to hit those rain showers, but yeah, I can't with a storm. Oh, wait, is that a tree or, oh, trash can, trash can. We're getting into downtown Hudsonville. Yeah, I don't know how long we're going to keep this up. We're just driving in heavy downpours. We're not really getting, I mean, lightning's everywhere, but I don't dare step outside and try to get this on video because we're not going to get a lot. So, okay, that was a huge geyser there. I guess we'll just have to stick around here. Oh wow, look at that! My God, I don't know if you guys see that. I don't know if that was a bull, but that was a really big flash. Yeah, this is bad, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if there's widespread tree damage here. I don't think I'm going to go south anymore because there isn't really any lightning anymore. It's more just around here. So I'll just be live. Oh! Was that a bolt?
I didn't see the
That was right in front of us, right?
Yeah.
Oh boy, that was bad. Okay, we're finally getting our lightning. We might finally be starting to get some bolts. Right now in downtown Hudsonville. Yeah, I cannot see anything. Yeah, let me know, guys. You guys are gonna know more than me this time. I'm just driving on a road. I don't see tree damage. I'm in the city. So if you guys have tree damage or power outages, let me know. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Okay, I'm gonna get over to the right-hand lane here. Why am I even in the right-hand lanes? Okay, dude, it's utter chaos out here. There's puddles everywhere. Oh boy, here we go. Hold on. Ah! Oh boy. The road is literally. I'm hitting. Oh my goodness. I would say that was about 3-4 inch deep water. Yeah, the roads are terrible. What the world? I can't. Oh, tree branch. We need to get in left-hand lane now. I can't see anything. the world? Wow. Well, we finally got our big storm, guys. It took long enough, in my opinion. I didn't have to go south, so I just drove around here and called that good enough, I guess. If we can, I'll try to hit south and see if we can get out of the storm. But I don't know if it's even worth it because we're in the middle of a town. Oh, is that a boat? Yeah, we have crazy lightning. What do we have here? We have branches down around our house. Alright, I know where she lives. She lives not too far away from me. Alright, I'll check that out area. If you want to send pictures, feel free. I don't care. But, yeah, this is going to be a chase where it's up to you guys if you want to share photos, videos, anything you have, and I'll tag you if you want me to post it. Because like I said, I can't do anything about it. I can't go to a yard and find tree damage. It's not my property. What the world? So it's up to you guys if you want to share pictures to me. Storm damage, lightning, you name it. We're just trying to head south and get out of the storm, but at this rate, we're going to be stuck in it forever. Wow, that was one interesting storm. Not what I was expecting. Especially this far north. The southern storms aren't really getting intense as of now. Oh. I'd say we maybe should just stay here because the lightning's really picking up and the rain is starting to die down in Allendale. So I wonder if we should just sit around here because it's really bad by Jennison. Was that something? I will say this, guys, we have not gotten a lot of lightning. I don't think tonight will be a lightning post. I think tomorrow I'll post the lightning videos that I had from this morning in Benton Harbor, and this will just be the live videos, and we'll call that good probably. You guys did really well, turned it out really well. I'm kind of proud and impressed that you guys were willing to share this much. I really appreciate it. But we're not quite done yet. The storm is still hitting most of our area. We'll be live for a little bit longer. I think the lightning will intensify as the rain dies down because I think we might as well. Oh! I didn't even have to hit my brakes and there was that much water. Lots of leaves, small tree branches in the yard. Alright. What the world? What is that light? What's what light? Yeah, I don't know. I feel like we should just stop or, I don't know, I'll turn left here. We need to stop at a gas station. We need to make a plan now. God, that's... Whoa! That could have been a bolt. Was that off to the, maybe off to the southwest, maybe? Alright, here we go. Still, we're in downtown Hudsonville, right by Meyer. We're actually really close to Aunt Betty's house. We're like maybe 7 minutes away. Oh, look at that water. What the world? I don't know. Cool. Here we go. Hold on. Alright, we're just going to stop in here so that we won't have to worry about rain. Wow. Maybe we'll get a good lightning show here. Maybe just go out there. Yeah, maybe go out there and start videoing. The lightning is crazy in Grand Rapids. Downtown Grand Rapids probably got hit by a really strong storm, guys. It's frustrating because I see the lightning. It's everywhere, but we're just not getting it on camera today. It's kind of frustrating, but
Oh, I got a bolt in that.
Was that a bolt?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. All right, stop it right there. And I want you to look quick, actually.
All right.
And see if you actually got it. I don't know if you guys saw that first maybe lightning bolt we got. Maybe fast forward it where you roughly think it will be at.
Well, that one was a long one. I think for that.
Yeah, maybe. All right, I'll give you guys updates.
Oh, here, it's like right up here.
Okay, all right. Let's see if we got a lightning bolt, guys. We could maybe finally get our first lightning bolt.
Should be like right here.
That's weird. Oh, is it right there?
Oh, it was like
I
right
think I see it. I think I saw it. Good enough.
Yeah.
I would say head outside and start videoing. I'll be outside in just a second. Well, we might have got our first lightning bolt.
Well, it's like.
Is it flooded in here?
Yeah.
Don't get wet, dude. I don't want you to. I would say, Sean, I would say point wherever there's a huge opening. So, I don't, because there's lightning everywhere, dude. Yeah, downtown Grand Rapids just got obliterated by a storm. Right now we're in right by the Hudsonville Mire, the mobile gas station, and the McDonald's that's also right here. We're at that gas station right now. So I would say Allendale, parts of Zeeland and Hudsonville, you guys are starting to get out of the heaviest of the rain. Jensen, you're still in it. And like I said, I'm not going to be the dude tonight or on Twitter that is going to have a lot of good stuff. But that doesn't matter. Every storm chase, you're going to have your mess ups. You're going to have your successes. This morning was definitely a success. Got some really good lightning. Oh, it looks like Sean might be getting something right now. But yeah, the wind is really bad, guys. I can't tell you enough on how strong the wind is. I would say I wouldn't be surprised if there's some. Oh boy! Shoot! Oh no way! Okay, that was a big one. That was a really big one. It was right over there. I'd say that was maybe 3 miles away. God, that was a big one. Maybe that was our mistake. Maybe we should have just parked underneath the gas station instead of driving around. Yeah, you see the ducktail. Let me see if I can get that out of the way. Maybe I should step outside. We'll just do that instead, guys. Here we go. All right, this is outside. There's Sean. The wind is pushing the rain into the gas station area. So, like I said, a lot of. Did you get that bolt that was right over there? Oh, shoot, dude. We really have not been successful tonight, but maybe we still have an opportunity. We'll see if we get any bolts here, guys. It's looking pretty bad. Honestly, I think there's a better chance of getting some more intense storms further to our southeast and stuff. So, but yeah, right in downtown Hudsonville. The thing that's tough about these storms is when they're squall lines, they're really any part of the storm can be bad. There's not a single location. So that's when it comes to you guys to post stuff, let me know what's happening, and I really do appreciate it if you do tell me about that. It's just, but yeah, it looks like the worst of the storm is done. We're just getting some really intense lightning, so we'll stick around here and see if we get one good bolt. Honestly, there's a better chance that one of you 40 people that went on here probably got a better bolt than I did, honestly. Jenison Speedway lost power. All right. But yeah, maybe in future events I'll make a better decision. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I wonder if I should point. This is west. Sean's pointing east. I'll point east just to do a different direction. Ugh. After driving and eating junk food for half a day, I do not feel great, not gonna lie. Let me see if I can check the radar, guys, just to see if we have anything interesting to look at. Oh, we got a cop driving by. Oh, wow, that dude is... Yeah, you see that? That cop was hauling. I wonder if... here we are right here. There's Grand Rapids. I'd say the worst of the storm is done already, so... Here's a wider scape of things. Like I said, Grand Rapids just got obliterated by a huge storm right here. I was planning at South or South Haven, but really the storms have kind of fallen apart. So I think we might just stick around here, try to get some lightning, and then call it a day. But yeah, if anyone wants to stop by, feel free. But yeah, we might have gotten 1 or 2 bolts on the live stream, so I'll check later on if that's the case. But like I said, strongest winds right now, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts up in Kent County. I'd say Hudsonville, Jenison, Allendale, you guys are in the clear for heavy winds, but lightning could be going on for another 45 minutes. Further up north, it gets weaker, so there really hasn't been a lot of intense storms. I think actually, yeah, really the storms kind of died down. Have you seen anything yet, Sean, or no? Yeah. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if there's widespread tree damage, power lines down. Those kind of storms can do that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'll drop off Sean and my uncle and aunts. Actually, they live only about 3 minutes away from here, so. But yeah, I would say the storm for the most part is done. We got some really intense bolts still going on off to our south, actually west. Let me see if I can show you guys quick. So basically to the west, Grand Rapids region. I would say we still could get some really intense storms the rest of the night still. Maybe still some thunderstorms. I do see some more in Wisconsin over here. But I would say for tonight, I'm going to call that a day because I am tired. Shoot. I guess we could have gone to Allegan County. They have quarter-size hail potentially down here. Oh. Was that off to our south or north? Okay. Yeah, we're getting really unfortunate here, guys. We're really not getting good stuff. But I really don't care because I already got my good lightning show this morning, so. And yes, it was home territory. I couldn't accomplish that, but yeah, I would say Holland, Zealand, you guys are good. You still should get lightning for a good while because of how tall these storms are. But yeah, if you guys want to stop by, I don't care. I mean, I'm in downtown Hudsonville, still been at the same gas station. Probably still will be for another good 10 minutes. Yeah, I don't know. That might be it for our live feed. I'll end it shortly if you guys want me to. Because I don't think we'll see anything more interesting except for lightning. Flash flood, I could see roads being flooded really bad, and power outages and tree damage. That's really going to be the main show. I kind of want to drive around to see if I can find it, but there's no point if I don't know where it's at. So that's it. I'm going to end the feed in about 5-10 minutes if I don't see anything interesting. And then I'll post updates tonight, mostly tomorrow, on the storms from last night. And I'll get videos ready. I'll probably post this feed on right away and then update it more as we go along. So, but yeah, we took my car again. This car has been through a lot. See all the duct tape holding on my stand up. And yeah, I have Sean, who's my cousin from New Jersey. McHugh is his last name. So he comes here like once every week during the summer. So we're going to be doing stuff with him and his family next week. And in terms of storm chases, there really won't be a lot. It's going to be a pretty quiet week next week. The next opportunity, I'm thinking, would be Wednesday, but even still, it looks like a stretch. So I might chase Wednesday. Otherwise, I think we're going to have a good week and a half where it's going to be really quiet weather, and we really won't see a lot of action. So, but this, you got a bolt? Was it pretty big? All right, let me know if you got it. But yeah, I mostly decided just to stop in Hudsonville. I mean, I have to drop Sean off soon. It's already almost 10:30. You got it? Here, I'll check it quick. I'll show you guys on his phone if you want to see it firsthand. Oh yeah, well, a little bit. We got a little bit of a slip. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's another bolt. All right, after some 50 videos, you finally got one. Yeah. All right, nice. Okay, so we did get a few bolts, maybe one or two. I would say most 3, 5, but I don't think it was that impressive. So I might just combine that post with this morning, early morning storms that we got as well. So yeah. But I do think the storms are basically done. And I think we'll wrap it up at 10:30, which is in 7 minutes. So ask any questions, give me any updates if you guys see any bad storms. Sean, probably in 7 minutes we'll be done, I think, because I don't think the storm's basically done. I don't see any other storms that we can chase. So there is some more lightning coming this way, but I don't know if I want to stay and wait. I think these guys already get the gist of the storm. So you want to say anything, Sean, or no? All right. It's fun? All right. That's good to hear. we do have a few more lightning bolts that actually just popped up and are heading right around the same area I was just talking about. But yeah, since these storms hit literally the center of like Storm Team 8, Fox 17, and everyone, there's going to be a lot of posts tonight, I think, of these storms. So I don't really think I have to post a lot, honestly, to tell you guys what I've been doing. But if you want to see my first live feed was just posted not too long ago. It basically covered this, me talking about the threats and a few people going live. Caitlin requested to go live, and we had a little chat about the weather there. And then, yeah, this feed with Leah popped. It's done raining in Jenison, so still raining pretty hard in Hudsonville, but I'm just going to briefly tell you guys the threats for the rest of the night. So there will be a chance of heavy rain and thunderstorms the rest of the night. Not really any more severe weather. The worst of it is done in terms of that. So I'd say the rest of the night, it's going to be on and off storms, maybe as late as noon on Sunday. So I think flash flooding will be a threat overnight and into the next day. So I think that's all I have to say. Sunday, there might be a threat of severe weather, but it's going to be more south of our area, and I obviously won't be chasing. But yeah, I would say I'm going to give you guys more updates. I'd say the next few days, tomorrow for sure. Excuse me. And Monday. But I would say we won't really get any more storms until Wednesday. That'll be our next day, and then I think it'll be quiet for a good week at least. So it's definitely been fun. I think you guys are going to love the lightning bolts I got from this morning once I'm done with those. So until then, guys, see ya. Never